Welcome back to another real feel fishing adventure. Wade in the river for some bass. Enjoy. Stay on there, baby. Stay on there. It's a nice fish. Look how this fish got it. What a beautiful fish. What an awesome way to start the morning. Just T-boned. Wow. What a gorgeous fish. I'll get one more look at it. Just what a beautiful fish. Thank you for the fight. That was a nice one. Nice. Barely hooked though. River largemouth. That's a chunky one. Nice. Good old river largemouth. That's a nice one. With the sun on the back. That's a nice fish. Alright, chunky one. Let's get a nice release. Thank you for the fight. That's a nice one. Might not be hooked very well though. What a beauty. What a tank. Absolute beauty. Gorgeous fish, man. Bronze beauty. Oh man, what an awesome smallie. Golly, what another tank. Nice. What another gorgeous smallie. That's amazing. Beautiful fish. Absolutely gorgeous. Beautiful. Awesome. Alright, so that's two that I've pulled off this tree so far. Just a nice bend, some good current, and then just a bunch of stumps and laydowns, and I've pulled two good ones off that so far. So my weapon of choice today is the Whopper Plopper yellowhead. This one's so old that it's starting to turn see-through. Absolutely love it though. It's my favorite Whopper Plopper. It's got the loon pattern but with some chartreuse. Yo! Nice smallie. Came out and wanted to play. A little smallie. Kerplunk. Oh. There we go. That thing hit it twice. Oh man, what a nice fish. Largemouth got tangled up. Oh, there was another one with it. Nice fish. This fish is just a mess. Oh, nice. Nice largemouth. That thing fought like crazy. Awesome fish, man. That was great. Wish I could get a better release, but I'm up pretty high. Dude, look at this tank. How am I gonna land this though? Wow. What a giant bass for the river. I just don't want to fall. Bring him around here. And I fell anyway. Dude, this is like a 3-pounder. Oh, monster. What an absolute tank. Huh. He wanted it exactly a certain way. Oh my goodness. Just choked it. Just absolutely choked it. when that thing hit, I thought that was a tank smallmouth, but I'll take that any day. That is just gorgeous. I gotta get a good release on this fish. I'm gonna fall in. Dude, it's got a hole in its head. Great fish. What an awesome fish. Alright, so that's going to do it here for me on the river. Thank you for watching. Thank you for coming along. And if you made it this far, consider subscribing. It means a lot to me, and it'll help this channel grow. Thanks for watching.